Naturopath. We're back on the topic of dietary supplements. This time we're going to talk about Candida Restore, how to take that along with the C3K Plus and also the Omega 3 Plus. So we did previously a video on how to take these two products along with Candida Remove. Now we're going to talk about Restore. So Candida Remove generally is anywhere between 2 to 3 doses per day. And a dose could be half a tablet, 1 tablet, or 2 tablets generally. Candida Restore, however, we're looking at 2 capsules a day. You don't really need more than 2. Many people take 1 with each meal, that's fine as well, but 2 usually is enough. So best time I feel to take Candida Restore is with breakfast or early in the morning, and the other time is before bed at night. Okay, clever idea. So the one at bed at night is quite good. And from my experience, working with that product with many hundreds of people, I found good outcomes. But a small percentage of people don't like it. They say it keeps them awake or it stimulates them or things like this. More likely something that they had with their evening meal. It wouldn't really be the capsule that's doing that. But again, if that's the case, bring it back forward and have it with your evening meal. So the C3K Plus, or if you've got a really good quality vitamin C powder, what you want to do is mix that with water. There's a scoop in here, so you may want to start with a half a scoop if you're not familiar with a quality product like this, and gradually work up to a full scoop once or twice per day depending on your requirements. Take the vitamin C away from food. Don't take it with a meal. Not a great idea. So I'd recommend you take the vitamin C in the morning, preferably in a glass of water, probably before breakfast or between breakfast and your lunch. And then you're going to take the Candida Restore with your breakfast in the morning. So take that capsule with food, the Candida Restore, and then take the vitamin C before or after, okay? And the Omega 3 you can take, it works perfectly fine with the Candida Restore. You can take those 2 products together. So you're going to take 2 capsules of this per day of the Omega 3 Plus, generally breakfast, lunch or dinner. The meal, which has got a little bit of fat or oil in it, it'll tend to work a little bit better for digestion, especially if your gallbladder is working quite well. You'll have a better uptake of the Omega 3 if you have more fats in your diet. So chewing your food quite well is an important thing to do when you're taking supplements. Not that you want to chew the supplements up, but chewing will stimulate the production of various digestive enzymes and saliva, which is going to make the food digest better, but also the supplements digest better. So that's quite a clever idea. Now the other thing is, do you need to drink water with meals or without meals? A lot of people say no, but I've never listened to a lot of other people anyway. You drink water when you feel you need to drink water. Always works well, but not great to drink alcohol or Coca-Cola or crap like that with meals. It's not a good idea. So Omega twice per day, the vitamin C once or twice per day, and the Candida Restore twice per day. You take it with breakfast, as I mentioned, and either with your evening meal or before you go to bed at night. You need to experiment with Candida Restore to see what optimizes your bowel function. Many people I've spoken to with this agreed that when they started changing the dose, from one time a day to the other, that their gut really improved. So, and that can vary and depending on what you're eating and the type of person you are. So again, you need to experiment with that. The Candida Rebuild, or the multivitamin, you can take usually 1 or 2 per day, and again with food, breakfast, lunch or dinner. I usually recommend lunch and dinner with Rebuild. And that's it. Thanks for tuning in.